Yum! Welcome to our channel. Today my dad is making roasted turkey. This is the recipe for marination, stuffing, and sauce. So pay close attention to that. Let's start! Let's dice the parsley and the thyme. Smack clean and mince the garlic. Ground your pepper. Zest the lemon and juice it. Let's prepare the marination. Soften the butter. Mix all together. Don't forget the salt. Let's get the masterpiece ready. Gently separate the skin from the meat. Careful not to tear it. Oops! Give the turkey a lovely massage. Put some aluminum foil on your tray and then place your turkey. Stuff it with onion, lemon, orange, and cinnamon sticks. Tie up the legs and put the wings to the back. Put the turkey in the oven for 220 degrees for 10 minutes. Here's our little trick. Cover the chest of the turkey with aluminum foil. Reduce the temperature to 180 degrees. Let it roast for 2.5 hours or until the inner part reaches 75 degrees. prepare the stew. Use the fat of the turkey. Use the onion and lemon from the stuffing. Add 1 diced fresh tomato. Add some apple juice and let it simmer. Crush some walnuts. Filter the sauce and let it reduce until it thickens. Now the time to prepare the side dish. Here's my honest review. Oh, that's soft and flavorful. Oh my god! Very yummy. Wow. Well, the skin is full of flavor that absorbed it. Yummy. Yummy. Yes. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It was so yummy, I had nothing to say. Thank you for watching Abushan. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our news videos. See ya!